Today is Sunday and we're going to, sorry, Jina has cough. We're going to, sorry Jina, close your mouth please so you don't pass it to baby. Sorry. Jina has cough and she's taking her medicine. The house that I showed you guys in my last vlog, we're going to the house for the house opening. It's not really finished, but it's okay. They've moved in. They're inviting a priest, you know, that kind of thing. So that's what we're going to, and I'll take you guys along. We're home. I'm so tired.
The next day.
So I'm actually on my way to the market. Hobby is at home with baby. I'm going to get more materials because Hobby was like, I wanted to sew a trouser and a short, and then I'm going to the tailor shop to give her the material and then tell her the style I want us to sew, because guys, time don't they go. Ola's baptism is actually first week of March. So I have to make a dress for her. I was thinking I was going to use one of the dresses that someone gave me, but I feel like the dress is too thick for her. So they just took the light, so I have to stay in front of my window. So I'm also going to get a white silk material to also make a dress for myself, because Namide, you know, as mother of the baptized, this is my look. Very simple, guys. This is actually the belt of this thing, but I'm using a normal belt. Let me see if I can show here. So I'm using this normal belt. Normally I would have made it very tight, but guys, my stomach is paining me. I cannot. So this is how I'm going to the market. The place I'm actually going to, they actually sell cheap Ankara materials. Cheap. They have different grade. They have the grade of 1,800, 2 something, 3 something. So I'm going for the one of 3 something, because that's like they brought the lights. Because that's the grade I want. The 3 something grade is the high grade, so that's the one I'm going to get. Everything you ask of me, yeah, just like that. I take you back and I still fuck with you so passionately.
The next day.
So guys, I'm actually about to go out. Nelo Okeke is in Abuja, like our Nelo Okeke is in Abuja. So I reached out to her. I saw it on Instagram anyways. So I reached out to her and we're supposed to see later today. I hope, I pray. Just getting ready to go out, doing something really light, guys. Like I don't have stress, I just want my face to be bright. I'm seeing Nelo Okeke, like. me. This is my outfit. My tear jeans. But yeah, so I'm wearing. This is actually hubby's shirt. I had to wear it. I didn't have what to wear. Guys, I didn't have what to wear. So yeah. And around and around and around we go. Guys, finally, with Nelo. She actually went to keep her niece. Finally, after all the traffic, guys, I suffered. Jesus, I suffered. But I'm so happy I'm here, really. My camera quality is not looking fine in this house. Now, wow. Yeah, hey, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. That's Nelo. That's Nelo. Hey, Jesus. Nelo.
Hi.
Hey, that's
Hi, Deka's people.
Hi. You should say hi to Nelo for me, please.
Hi.
Hey.
Nelo.
Azim. Hey, Nelo, I'm so
Deka
happy.
has come to abuse me today.
No. I'm so happy.
Oh yeah, I love whiskey.
Do you mix it with Tampari?
No.
Try it.
Are you serious?
My husband likes it, and his friends, his crew, they like it. They make a big deal out of it. So I don't know if it's nice. They call it Henny Camp.
I'm going to try it, Sha.
Please do.
I'm going to try. I love Heineken, but my brand is actually whiskey, like Hennessy.
Whiskey. I hate Hennessy.
Recently, my brother introduced me to Ciroc.
I love syrup.
Flavored Ciroc.
Oh.
That Ciroc is expensive.
I don't like
It's
flavor.
almost like Hennessy. What am I saying is expensive? Same thing.
I don't like flavorful things.
So the flavored Ciroc, I think it was a peach flavor that I bought for him when he came to my house, and it was so nice. I had it with him. I think it's going to be my new drink. But I don't know. Normally, when I'm buying Hennessy, I don't really buy. My husband buys it for me. But to get my money, I'm buying Ciroc. It's like I'll quit drinking. This is expensive.
But it's good. When I saw you smoking shisha, I was like, no, Nelo is my kind of girl. We're going to vibe well. Because you know, say,
come and take me. I'm coming. I want to come.
Okay.
Oh,
Hi.
I'm always commenting on her channel.
Are you serious?
Nenny's platform.
I think I know you. Nenny's something.
Nenny's platform. I'm always commenting on your
Thank
videos.
you. I'm going to subscribe.
I'm always watching, then I subscribe. And why am I not vlogging? But wait, so
Please vlog. Thank you so much. Thank you.
it's such a pleasure. Like I'm finding this kind, mama of Abuja. This kind. I don't spoke about her like in the 20 videos, 20 YouTubers I love.
Hey, please, I need to
for
follow you.
2020. So I was like, guys, if you've not seen Deka, this kind mama, like go and check out her channel. So yes, that video is up on my channel.
Yeah, thank you. I'm going to watch all your videos. Thank you so much. Guys, there is house and there is house. there is house and there is house. This house is fine. No. This is so beautiful. What? They see something now.
I'm going to sell you.
Nelo.
I am going to sell you. Look for money. The money I get from you. I shop suya.
Oh guys, this house is so beautiful. This kind of thing my husband will give you more and better.
Hi. You've actually entered this pool before me. Since I came, I've been saying I'll come and swim.
I'll bring my kids then.
Yeah, you should. Play date. I'll let you know.
Okay.
I'll film in the morning.
Okay.
And then when the sun is very out.
I'm going to my tailor's shop to measure for Ola's baptism. Yeah, our clothes.
DHL.
So from there I'll just come.
Okay.
I'll be so happy, right?
They like swimming.
So guys, I just finished from, I hope you guys are seeing my face. I just finished from seeing Nelo Okeke. Guys, I had a very good time. You know, we talked about YouTube life, we had fun. Obviously you guys have seen some of the clips. You know, I just really want to say this, it's good to know someone for yourself, right? Not from social media, not from YouTube, not from hearsay. Do you understand? So if you're watching my videos, you're watching my channel, and you watch like all those sagas and all those things that people just talked about, I have to follow them. There's seriously, the wakers are everywhere. I already can tell that there's going to be serious traffic, so I have to follow this road that is not that good, but I don't have a choice. The road is very bad and my car is really low. So if you watch all those Nelo Okeke saga where people just say funny things about her and all that, guys, I can categorically tell you that please, I can categorically tell you that, guys, not everything you watch or hear is true. I don't want to talk past my mouth, but the one I saw, I've spoken to her on the phone before. Do you understand? So, but the one I have seen, the way we've talked, and you know, the way she reacted to me and the kind of things we talked about, right? I can actually say she's actually a nice person. Do you understand? I know people have their own opinions, people have their own experiences, but for me, I can say she's a nice person. So I would advise that instead of hearsay and just assuming that people are bad or people are this or people are that, please know the people for yourself. Even me, as you're watching me, do you understand? I know that you might see somebody and like the person, or see somebody and don't like the person. It didn't happen, but don't just do hearsay. I heard that this person is this way. I heard that. Go and know the person for yourself, and you would see for yourself whether you like the person or you hate the person. Don't listen to what people are saying. You know, that's just what I want to say. I'm so hungry. Oh, I'm so tired. I've had my bath. The kids have had their baths. They're sleeping. Hobby is watching Trump's trial in the living room. So me, I'm feeling somehow. So Ola has had kata, like serious kata, for like, it's been a while, but it has gotten really bad. So we had to, you know, seek medical attention and all that. But I feel like I've grabbed, and I felt like I was going to grab, because guys, I was the one sucking her nose. Let me know in the comment section if you suck your baby's nose, because I've been sneezy. I've been, you know, this uncontrollable sneeze that you're like, normally when you sneeze you can even look for something before the sneeze come out, but this one now is just fiam, you know. I've not gotten the COVID. I don't know, but I hope I've not gotten the COVID. I don't think I've gotten the COVID. It's not that bad. It's not that deep. So I have to take, we actually got vitamin C for me. I've not been taking vitamin C, guys, and then I will look for an antibiotics to take, because I feel like it's more of an infection. My throat is becoming a bit dry. Like this dryness I'm feeling is still new, you know, when that sore throatish or cough wants to come, how to start. But guys, I just noticed that on my face. I've stayed in the past for like, let me say 3, 4, 5 days. I've been very careless about my skincare routine, and I've been having serious texture here. Let me zoom in so that you guys can see. I just noticed it today, really, which I have to work on. But let me take the medicine. I don't tire, I won't sleep.
Duty of the person happened to one who
somebody. Well, they can simply, we are the kind from the accused. If you take that away to a lawyer or to having to see the evidence at all, it just gets brought in without anybody.
So I just finished with my medicine taking. I want to go to bed, but Ola is still awake with her dad. So everybody's coughing and sneezing in my house, really. I just hope we get well soon. Everybody literally. Jina has first brought it. It was Jina that brought it. School, guys, I give my baby, my kids vitamin C every morning, and zinc. Somehow Jina I thought that when you take those kind of things, that it will prevent it, to make it not to even come in the first place. Is there something I'm supposed to be giving them differently? Good night, guys. Sleep well. Have a lovely night rest and have a lovely day if you're watching it during the day. And please subscribe, please. Thumbs up, comment. I love you guys so much for watching. Bye.